Hey everyone, Scott Gumbar, owner of Nuage Tech. Wanted to do a quick tech tip for you. I know it's not Tuesday, but nonetheless, we get alerts from time to time for memory utilization, and you can see here it says the free memory on the computer in group, and I whited out those areas so that you protect the innocent. You don't need to know who the client is, but this computer has below 10% memory utilization on their computer, meaning they have less than 10% of their memory free. And you can see 1,414 megabytes, a little more than a gig out of 16 gigs is free. So they might start to see the computer move slowly from tab to tab, from app to app. It might start to move a little slow. You might see this program is unresponsive for a moment. And I wanted to talk about that. So this computer is a newer computer. I know, I've known this client pretty well. This is a newer computer. It's an i7. It has 16 gigs of RAM. It has an SSD. So there is no reason this computer should move slowly. They're not using any graphic intensive processes or anything like that. The reason they face this issue is because I can tell you they probably have a good 20 to 30 Chrome tabs open easily. And you can see here top processes, Google Chrome, Word, Google Chrome, Excel, Chrome, Slack, Chrome, Slack. So you can see of the top processes, and if you go down this list, there'll be more Chrome, there'll be more Word probably. You can see Google Chrome is eating up a lot of memory. What's the solution? Well, the solution is pretty simple. Close the tabs you're not using. Close the Microsoft Word documents you're not using or Excel documents you're not using. If I know Slack, you kind of want to keep that open if you're communicating with your team, so you probably don't want to close that. But if there's a Google Chrome tab open that you're not using, close it. If there's a Microsoft Word document you're not editing right now, close it. And this will free up some of the memory on your computer. It'll be little by little, you'll get there. So if I close whatever this is, 1,643, I've already more than doubled my free memory. If I close this Word document again, I would almost double what's available right now. And I share this because I occasionally, not a lot, I think most of my clients understand because we've educated them that your computer is running slow because you have all of these things open. And I will address one other thing. There is I don't know the right word you would use for this, I guess a rumor that if you group your tabs in Chrome, which is a great feature, I use it myself, it helps keep organized, that if you group them together, that you'll free up some of your memory. I have not seen evidence of this, and I have not been able to confirm that. If it works, great. It's a great feature anyway. Group your tabs together. It's pretty easy to do. And then you're a little more organized, probably help you close some of the tabs you're not using anyway, because now you're organizing your tabs anyway. Try it. I don't think it'll work. I don't think it'll help you, but the better answer is to close the tabs you're not using, close the Word documents or Excel documents you're not using, and so forth. What you will also notice is that you're not seeing, so sometimes I hear that it's the software we're using to monitor, and you don't see that here in the top 10. It's not here. None of our security software, and there are multiple security softwares, none of our applications that we use to remote in or anything like that are on here on the top list, on the top troublemakers here. So it is Google Chrome. Google Chrome's the most popular browser, and I get it. It's I don't know the numbers anymore, but I know it's a significant chunk of the browser usage out there. But this would apply to any browser, Firefox, Edge. They all do the same thing. Edge is built with the same technology as Chrome. Brave is another example. Safari, if you're using Safari, is going to use memory as well. And the more tabs you have open, the more it's going to use. And this is when you start to experience the issues with your computer performing poorly, and you lost productivity at that point. So that's our tip for today. As you can hear, I'm getting text messages left and right here. So I'm going to end this and leave you with that. Hopefully, if you have any problems with slow computer, you close a few tabs or a few Microsoft documents and you have a better experience. If you have any questions, you could always reach us at nuagetech.com or email us at support@nuage.tech. And until next time, stay safe.